right. Left side keep heading, everyone. In previous class, I explained about side construction, that is called triple S construction. Now today I am going to explain about side angle side construction. Left side keep heading. Yes, say yes. Side dash angle dash side. Side angle side construction. If they have given two side and one angle, then how to do construction? Note on example 1. Construct a triangle PQR. Construct a triangle. Construct a triangle PQR such that PQ is equal to 4.5 centimeter, comma, QR is equal to 6.5 centimeter, and M angle PQR, M means measuring angle, PQR is equal to 60 degree. Measurement of angle PQR is equal to 60 degree. They can give sometime angle PQR. If they are mentioning M, don't confuse. Measurement of angle PQR is equal to 60 degree. Already students, we know very well how to do construction. Firstly, we want to draw rough sketch. Firstly, I want to draw rough sketch. Yeah. Rough sketch. If you know rough sketch, easily you can construct the triangles. What is rough sketch? Very easy. Rough sketch means we are not using anything. Only with the help of free hand, without scale, we are drawing this figure. PQ is 4.5 centimeter. QR is 6.5 centimeter. And angle PQR, this angle is 60 degree. This construction we are going to do. Firstly, everyone give 10 line gaps. Draw one line segment QR 6.5 centimeter. How to start this construction? We start always construction from the base. Base is QR. Firstly, I want to draw 6 line segment 6.5 centimeter by using scale. Yes. Draw one line segment. First give 10 line gaps. Draw one line segment 6.5 centimeter. This is 6.5 centimeter. This name is what? QR. QR 6.5 centimeter. Now take Q as a center. Construct 60 degree angle by using protractor. Take Q as a center. Construct 60-degree angle by using protractor. Okay, I am going to construct 60-degree angle. Take Q as a center. Take Q as a center. Construct 60-degree angle by using protractor. This is 60-degree angle or 60-degree angle completed. This is 60-degree angle. Take Q as a center. Take Q as a center. Construct 60-degree angle by using protractor. Now PQ length is 4.5 centimeter. Draw an arc of radius 4.5 centimeter. Take Q as a center. Draw an arc of radius 4.5 centimeter by using compass. Take Q as a center. Draw an arc of radius 4.5 centimeter. Keep your metal point at point Q. Keep your metal point at point Q. Draw an arc of radius 4.5 centimeter at point Q. Now this point we are assuming is P. Join P point and R point. This is the construction of triangle PQR. This is construction of triangle PQR. What I have done here, student? First step, draw line segment QR 6.5 centimeter. Take Q as a center, construct 60-degree angle. Again, take Q as a center, draw an arc of radius 4.5 centimeter at point P. Join PR. Hence, PQR is the required triangle. Write down step 1. Step 1. Draw a line segment QR is equal to 6.5 centimeter. Draw a line segment QR is equal to 6.5 centimeter. First, this is the first step. Draw line segment QR is equal to 6.5 centimeter. Step 2. At point Q, draw angle XQY. Draw angle XQY of 60 degree. XQY of 60 degree. Step 3. Take Q as a center. Take Q as a center. CENTRE. Take Q as a center. Draw an arc of radius. Draw an arc of radius 4.5 centimeter at point P. Step 4. Join PR. Hence PQR is the required triangle. Hence PQR is the required triangle. Join PR. Hence PQR is the required triangle. Next, angle side angle construction. If they have given two angle one side, then how to do construction? Keep heading. ASA. Angle, angle side, angle. Angle side angle construction. If they have given two angle one side, then how to do construction? Example 1. Construct a triangle XYZ construct a triangle XYZ such that XY is equal to 7 centimeter, measurement angle X is equal to 60 degree, and measurement angle Y is equal to 45 degree. In this construction, you are observing, students, there are two angles and one side. Then how to do construction? Firstly, I want to draw rough sketch. Draw one rough sketch, everyone. X, Y, Z. And measurement of angle X is equal to 60 degree. Measurement of angle Y is equal to 45 degree. xy is equal to 7 centimeter. Now students observe here where students are doing mistake. Observe here everyone. Stop writing everyone. 60 and 45 both are acute angle. But where students are doing mistakes, if they want to draw 60-degree angle, listen carefully. If they want to draw 60-degree angle, there is no problem, easily they can draw. But if you want to draw 45-degree angle, don't take this side. This angle is obtuse angle greater than 90-degree. This angle is obtuse angle, not acute angle. We want acute angle. We want to measure angle inside, not outside. Then don't confuse here. Students are doing mistakes so many here. Means we want to measure this side. This side angle is 45 because this angle is acute angle, not obtuse angle. We want acute angle triangle. Start construction everyone. Draw one, give 10 line gaps. Draw one line segment 7 centimeter. Draw one line segment 7 centimeter. Draw one line segment 7 centimeter. That name is what? XY. This name line segment XY 7 centimeter. Now take X as a center. Take X as a center. Construct 60-degree angle. Take A as a center. Construct 60-degree angle by using protractor. Take X as a center. Construct 60-degree angle by using protractor. This angle is 60-degree angle. Next, again I told to you students where you are doing mistakes. Take Y as a center. Construct 45-degree angle. Now don't take 45 angle right side. If you're taking 45 angle from right side, that will be obtuse angle, but we want acute angle triangle. Observe here student, don't confuse. Always will take inside angle, don't take outside angle. If you're taking outside angle, that will be obtuse angle, but we want acute angle triangle. We want acute angle triangle. Now this is Q. This is 60-degree. And that angle is 45-degree. And this point is Z. This is the construction of XYZ. Yeah, student, got it? Interesting construction. Students got it or not? But don't confuse student here. This angle is will take always inside, because if you're taking right side, then that angle will be obtuse angle. Right. The total length will be 7 centimeter. Yes, note down step 1. Draw a line segment XY is equal to 7 centimeter. Step 1. Step 1. Draw a line segment XY is equal to 7 centimeter. Step 2. Step 2. At construct at X construct an angle construct an angle at X construct an angle PXY angle PXY of measure 60 degree. Step 3. Step 3. At Y construct an angle construct an angle QYX of measure 45 degree. Step 4. Let the arms step 4. Let the arms PX and QY of angles intersect at Z. Angles intersect at Z. Hence, XYZ is the required triangle. Hence, XYZ is the required triangle. Hence, XYZ is the required XYZ is the required hence XYZ is the required XYZ is the required triangle. RHS. Right angled right right angled right angled hypotenuse right angled hypotenuse side. Construction.